Get my fuel. Oh, I spoke too soon. How the fuck am I still on? Oh, fuck, you right? You right? Get my fuel.
I can't get fuel.
Oh, I spoke too soon.
The fuel. I can't even fucking reach, you can't.
I can't breathe. I'm all good.
Oh, fuel's off.
I was going too fast. I was having a nappy.
You just winded.
Yeah. I went over the bars.
Did you?
Yeah.
I think I just caught you with my camera. Oh, my bug's draining petrol. Let me move it.
Cheers, man. Oh, fuck. I think I'm up for a new helmet too.
You just winded?
Yeah. Fuck. I was trying to overtake you, being a stupid cunt. And then I went a little bit to the right, and then I just I don't know if you could see. You can't, but
I look back and you're laying down.
Oh, that was fun.
Yeah, well, I think so. Or it's on the roof.
Oh.
Fucking epic crash then.
Yeah, it was fun. That's what I get for being a dumb cunt.
I'll give you a hand lift in it.
What's it dripping from?
Probably fuel tank top. They're not supposed to be upside down.
Oh, fuck.
If I wasn't
I'm like 100%. I'm 100% sure I said, "How the fuck am I still on?" And
yeah,
I fucking hit that cunt.
It did.
Oh, I felt like my heart exploded. Oh, fuck yeah.
Fuck yeah. Alright, come on, let's get that bike up. Did you bring your crane?
Oh yeah, fucking think I'll need it.
Ready?
3, 2.
Holy fuck.
Get my fuel. I spoke too soon.